Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to divide both sides by y. So we can see that this is about f and y. This is about first derivative of y over y. So this is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to f and y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Now, this one that is about v. This one that is about this one. Next, s multiplied by 8 and this one. So, I will put this one go to the left. Then we divide both sides by s. So this one we have first derivative of v in here and here. So that means this one is about linear differential equations. So we can use about interpreting factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that positive 1 over s next to v. This is for interpreting factor, and I will put this one go in here. And we have e to the power of s. E to the power of f and s. And this one you got about s. That means we multiply both sides by s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one that is about y equals to ap. So the integration of that one we have vs. This one that is about s squared over number 2, and I will put about c. About v that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.